Hi everyone. July was a funny month, to be honest. I didn't work that much because unfortunately I did contract COVID and I was stuck in the house for a few weeks. But anyway, there's still a fair few clips that are of interest, and this one in particular was a close call. Watch the blue Fiesta approaching from behind.
Subject to availability, served from 11 AM. We've got two choices between toil, not specific item or range.
Summer's here, and Ocado's got a smashing deal just for you. Armchair umpires, there's £8 off Monopole Blue Top Champagne, and Ocado strawberries for £1.50. And for you second servers, strawberries and cream Little Moons are new to Ocado. However you do summer,
There's an Ocado just for you.
ends 11th of July. Maximum 6 champagne bottles per order, subject to availability, geographical restrictions.
Looking to sell or part exchange your car? At Arnold Clark, we're giving you an extra £500 on top. Any make, any model, any price. Whatever your car's sale or part exchange value is, we'll give you an extra £500 on top with the Add 500 code. Sell your car or part exchange your car with Arnold Clark. Relax, it's easy. See arnoldclark.com.
Why is it the people with least ability drive so close a lot of the time?
6 months of Discovery Plus entertainment at no extra cost with Vodafone. Get shocking true crime, paranormal chillers, jaw-dropping reality, and astonishing documentaries. Plus every unmissable moment of the Olympic Games Tokyo 2020 live. To get this offer, visit vodafone.co.uk/Discovery Plus. Season applies. Subscription required. Vodafone pay monthly. UK customers only. After 6 months.
I captured this clip shortly after finishing filming the video. Watch how quickly the lorry's travelling from the right hand side.
Slow down. Wow.
Cool. Don't forget red and amber means get ready, which can mean creep. And then the green's the go. Yeah? Good. 30. Settle. Good. Hold on. What's your thoughts on the distance the police car behind is travelling at?
Well,
It's
get close.
ridiculously close, to be honest. So it's just a good job that there's no one that we've got to slow for. But here is a junction. Have a little look at him again. Tailgating a driving school car is utterly ridiculous. When that learner buries the brake, there is nothing the instructor can do to stop them from doing so. It's lethal. Please give us a little more room. What's your thoughts with this? That just needed to be reduced a little. Yeah? And then once we're past the 40, then go again. That was close to being a crash, that one as well. Did you see that? Yeah. That fella nearly got taken out in the midst of it as well. This is Kirby Industrial Estate, and it's a classic nursery area for people at that early standard of learning to drive. And this clip is a repeat of another clip that I've had probably about 6 months or so, where people just get really impatient and overtake to do a left turn. Watch the car behind. Okay, squeeze your gas and off we go. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah? That was the collision warning system on my car, just stepping in. that person was very idiotic, but to be honest, what could you have done with your speed when you saw that they were... Did you see they were braking and signalling?
I saw them signalling like last minute.
Yeah, okay. They were quite late, to be honest. Don't worry, I did have it under control. If they were going to be a problem, I was going to help you out, but I knew what they were going to do straight from the off as well, so it wasn't an issue. Don't panic. I'm always there to help. Road's narrowing again. What's the taxi doing to your right?
He's going to fall in.
Fall in behind?
Yeah.
You're not adjusting your feet to little things, and we're slightly catching people up. So try and be a little more gentle and adjust your gas pedal for risk. If risk is getting bigger, is there any risk with this? Yes.
Was he not meant to come out?
No, but what did you do with your feet, Logan?
I didn't slow down.
Do you see where I'm coming from? There's no point saying he wasn't meant to come out and crashing into it.
Yeah.
See where I'm coming from? That's exactly what I was talking about. Why people do that to learner drivers, God only knows. But you just deal with it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You just got to clap off this guy behind as well. That's what the clapping was.
Oh. That wasn't even me, that was you. I would have went fully into the side.
Well, that's what I'm here for, mate. That's why you have lessons with an instructor, because we've got these pedals and we're ready for it. Alright. But do you think you can do a little bit differently next time, do you think?
Yeah, make sure to slow down if I see someone coming out
You've
like
got to
that.
adjust for risk. That's what we get now. But good stuff, mate. Just use it as experience. Away we go. There you go.
What did he say?
Nice going, mate.
What would happen if I was caught speeding and it was obviously in your car? Would you get bollocked for it?
Where's this guy going?
He's probably saw them lights and thought he can go on.
Well. But yeah, that's right. Provisional license, they've got to go through the whole process and then take proper lessons.
Yeah.
So was he thinking that he can just still drive around on his own?
That's what he thinks. But one of my tenant, he made that mistake, and I told him, oh my God, it's going to squeeze. What's the bus driver doing? He could have stopped. Why he decided to put it?
Thanks for watching, everyone. Keep safe and I hope to see you soon.